Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. National cyclist Marloe Rodman is well on the way to charting a new career in sports following a 2017 vehicular crash. The incident brought a crashing halt to Rodman's Olympic dreams as he lost the function in one arm. But as Denise Walters reports, instead of being daunted, he's now mapping a course in paracycling.
The injuries Marloe Rodman sustained in the horrific crash in 2017 forced him to consider other alternatives. But with sports in his blood, he has now turned his attention to paracycling as he's not able to compete with able-bodied athletes due to damage sustained to his left hand. Rodman was the nation's flag bearer in cycling with an eye towards an Olympic berth at the Tokyo Games. But it all went wrong on November 26, 2017.
Brachial plexus damage, lung confusion. I broke my right leg, broke my left arm. It was a lot. I had internal bleeding, but all that is resolved now. Still feel pain from time to time, but I'm still alive and I'm just trying to put my best foot forward still, with one arm working.
The injury to his left hand has left lasting damage.
It was shattered where the actual has to be pinned in here. There's pins at the back and at the front. You know, it has no mobility by itself. It can't use itself, but I still try to use it every day. So hopefully one day I can use it again, but it was broken really bad.
After not riding for a year, Rodman was inspired to take up parasport by President of the Cycling Federation, Dr. Wayne Palmer.
I'm not used to that, but I started looking into it. I'm still number one, so I'm like, why don't switch to paracycling and start testing how I'm functioning in one arm, strapping one arm to a bike, and I was still getting good strength from the legs, and I have still good control, so I decided to say yes, I'm going to sign up for it.
But getting to this point was not easy.
Definitely. If I say no, I wouldn't be human. It has been a challenge, you know, working with one arm because I still fix vehicles and, you know, work on cars and do everything. I still cook, do everything still with one arm. You know, it affects me sometimes, but I'm still alive.
As for the accident, the former Caribbean Elite Road Race champion was accused of doing stunts on a Honda CBRR 600 motorcycle along Gordon Boulevard in St. Catherine, losing control of the bike, resulting in the death of Anthony Gordon. He was slapped with 4 charges, including manslaughter. Rodman says his reputation was also damaged as some of the reports in the public space are false.
They accused me of wheeling, which I wasn't wheeling, you know. And that hurt me because I put a big scar on my career where people from Germany, England, all over were calling me, and, you know. So that, like, I was idling a day before a race.
Rodman is set to return to court on May 12 of this year. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.